Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the new train station in Mordialloc. So, sama tayong mga auntie para makita ninyo ang bagong train station. Alright. So, come with us.
What? You wanna go back home? No. You eat? Maybe we can go the south side.
South line, it's gonna close.
Yeah. Oh. Very cold.
Yeah.
So what was that horn I just heard?
Yeah.
What is that fence like for sale?
Yeah.
Oh look, it's a dog, look. Just looking at us. You saw it? For people in their house to come in. Red.
Yeah.
Mga auntie, mga uncle, karong bulan na taman katapusan, free ang amo ang musakay og train, so dili na mi magtap sa amo ang Mikey kay agi ni siya sa bitong ning mahal ang mga gasolina mga auntie. So ang among gobyerno dili ni pa bayro kung sa kanyang train sukad atong April, bulan sa April hangtod karong katapusan sa May, free ang amo ang train o mga bus.
So the train is still free. We don't need to top our money too.
Dugay-dugay naming wala kasakay og train mga ante, mga angkol kay kasira lagi kog drive inigmang lakaw me magkaraman good me karon pa mi nakabalik sukad og sakay sa train.
You need to do this?
No.
Because the train is still free. Are you cold, Alexander? You warm enough?
Yeah, I'm on.
So like, do we have to get off in Mordialloc? Do we have to get off in Mordialloc to see the station? And then, but I think we will go to the next park day because I want to see the new station when we pass by, you know, when we pass you can see it clear.
Yeah.
Yeah, take a video of the train. There's no people.
Okay.
You sit there, Alexander, so you can take
But I want to see the window.
You go there, sit there.
Alright.
Do you want me to record that? Yeah.
Yeah, I like that. Do you have to connect the microphone or is it automatic?
I don't really know.
Now arriving at Chelsea. Now arriving at Edithvale. Now arriving at Aspendale.
Well, which side do you want to look out? Because there's lots happening. Whichever side you look out this way, we'll look the other way on the way home, okay? Should we take Lenny to Edithvale? Just take her home. We have to return her. Well, we'll not be running out of time because we've waited so long for a train now. We'll see how we go, okay? We'll see how long ice cream takes.
Mga auntie, mga uncle, tanawan ninyo ang view sa creek. Nindot kay siya tanawon mga makita nimo ang mga boat, mga auntie. Parking, linaw ang tubig. Sa una mga auntie, dili namo ni makita nga ang view. Kay nga no, kay inig musakay mi og train. Kuan naman good ang train maagi na siya sa tulay, so dili kayo makita ang nice view. Karon kay up man ang train station, so naami sa taas makita nindot kay tan-awon ang view pag makita nimo ang ubos. So tan-aw mga auntie, nice kayo no, naka-parking tanan ang mga boat sa Mordialloc Creek ni siya mga auntie. Duuran ni siya sa Mordialloc train station.
Oh, I see 2 airplanes in the sky. One's there, and the other one's behind this tree now. When did you first go on an airplane? You were excited. How old were you? Come on, Harry. I'm going to put you back in the pram, too, so that we can get off. 1, 2, 3. Alright, this is going to be your first look at Mordialloc Station, Paddy. You excited? From Paddy.
Now arriving at Mordialloc.
Wow, Paddy, look. Paddy, show me your wow face. Alright, let's get off. Big jump. Alright, we need to go this way.
And customers, if you're travelling with us at the moment on the network on the Frankfurt line, please advise us some minor behind schedule running there for Melbourne bound services, with Frankfurt bound services currently running to the schedule. Please be safe while you're on the network, and don't forget, if you're travelling with us this afternoon or today in the next few days, come along down to the wonderful, fantastic, newly opened train station.
Good to you.
There's the air. Yay, boarding station's open.
There's a train coming. So this is Mordialloc station, the new one. New station. Really good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go down. Let's go down. So we use the lift. We use the lift. I want to see the stairs.
Wait, can we go to the elevator?
Yeah, I want to go to the elevator. That's the stairs.
Wow.
Alright. And later, we'll go use the stairs. Yeah?
Yeah, sure.
Alright.
Clear placed. Lift arrived. Please stand clear of the ramp.
Going down.
Going down.
Doors closing.
So we are here in new station of Mordialloc.
Concourse.
Oh, I think
Doors opening.
here we are.
Going up.
Oh, wow. Wow. This place is cool. So this is the stairs. So, wala pa gyud siya na human. But, human na ang station. Ay? We will go to Southland and just buy a chip. I don't know if it's still open.
Well, it's 4:27, so we have to hurry.
Oh,
We need to hurry.
I don't know if there's still, let's go right to
Don't worry. If it's closed, then we can go to a restaurant. Not bad.
Sige, good, isn't it? Napay lang mga kuan, mga ante, mga gamit. Wala pa gila siya na human. Gamit lang mga equipment dito. Oh.
So much construction.
Yeah, the construction is not done. All the equipments are still here.
Yeah.
So way out is in McDonald Street. Oh, it's really good.
Yeah.
Very good.
Oh, it's already a train.
4 minutes is the train. Is that no in Frankston, but in here how many minutes?
Street's going.
How many minutes? Oh, the train. Come on. Come on. Come on. Check. Come on. Good timing.
It was a good timing.
This is a service to Flinders Street. Stop